Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of your files, video files. So you will go to File when you finish this video you are recording or any video you are recording and export as 1080p, which will reduce the size of your video by half its size and doesn't damage the quality as much. Or you can compare both and see which is better. If it does affect so much in your quality, then keep it as 4K and manage to reduce it in the uh, editing software. That could help. And remember to delete your clips when you finish it instead of having junky clips. Uh, Hope you guys learned something from it and check other tutorials as I do so many tutorials. Check it out. Maybe some can help you with your work. See you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.